it's Tashira, and today's video is going to be a date ideas video. So these are ideas for a second date where you're really, wanting to get to know somebody. You want to see how they react in certain situations, get to know a little bit more of their personality outside of just, kind of sitting down and talking. An activity on a second date is an excellent idea, and I have some ideas just for you for your next fun second date. So if you're a guy, here's some ideas for you in case you have no idea. And if you're a lady, go ahead and slide, these ideas your date's way. Just get excited and be like, oh my gosh, I've always wanted to such and such. Just kind of throw it out there. Or once he invites you on the second date, say, oh my gosh, I would love that. We should ... Whatever you'd like to do that's, a fun, engaging activity, so you won't be stuck with just kind of sitting and going out to eat over and over. Kind of, mix it up, spice it up. So the first second date idea would be an escape room. An escape room is going to kind of get you guys to working together. You're going to be testing each other's intelligence level, seeing how smart is this person, what are their analytical skills like, are they going to be serious the whole time, are they going to make fun jokes, how do you guys actually work together when it comes to problem solving, and can you make it fun? Can you make the best out of a simple situation? Is he going to get mad, or is she going to get mad and go crazy and go ballistic? This is the perfect time to see how your date will react. The next one is a little bit more laid back. It's an arcade. So it's interactive, it's fun, a little bit competitive. Again, you'll get to see how your date reacts in certain situations. But this one, of course, is a bit more chill. So see, how do they act towards you when competitiveness comes into play? How are they treating you? That's very important to see. And on an arcade date, you'll definitely get to see a different side of them. You don't want to go on a date with anyone who's just uptight all the time, or maybe you do, I don't know, I don't. If you all both like socializing, you like being around other people, but again, also this one could be more intimate too, depending on the day of the week that you go. A social house, I think, is a great idea. So somewhere with interactive, immersive games like life-size chess, paddle pong, cornhole. I think you would have a ton of fun doing these things together. And as I said before, this is a great way to see someone's character in certain aspects. You'll get to see how they get along with other people as well as yourself. Are they chill and cool? Are they just rambunctious and crazy and excited? Whatever floats your boat, but you'll get to see that. Now, another idea I think is super duper cute is a scavenger hunt. Some cities have scavenger hunts throughout the city, so you can go around exploring the city, going to different places, and some cities have them where it's just, in one place. You just get to do like a cute scavenger hunt. Or if you are super duper creative, then Mr. Man, you should create that scavenger hunt for your date. I mean, if you have the time, energy, and creativity. You don't have to, but I think it's a cool idea. Also, there's mini golf, which I absolutely love. I love mini golf. Okay, there are so many different themed mini golf locations. I don't know, I like the competitiveness of it, and then it's usually really, really fun. You can get a little bite to eat, have a lot of laughs, because funny things will happen during the golf tournament between you and your date. And also, if you have a Topgolf in your city, why not go to Topgolf? This is a very romantic, a really sweet date that I think two people getting to know each other would definitely enjoy. And then also there's go-karts. Go-karts are really, really fun to me. I haven't been in a long time, but I think this is a super cute date. This may be difficult to find in some cities because I know it's not like a big thing, or there may be too many kids there. Like smaller kids, but I think it would still be a cute idea if you can find maybe an adult track or something like that. And the last idea I think would be super cute. I've never done this on the second date, but I think it would be amazing. Going to a house of mirrors, or maybe like a carnival. Super duper cute idea. You get to go and ride different rides, or if you only go to the house of mirrors, it's super fun, really interactive. It could be a little bit of a scary experience, so don't try to just surprise your date with a house of mirrors. Like, don't do that. Or a carnival, don't just surprise them. Definitely let them know where you guys are going to be going, because maybe they could be scared around large crowds. Maybe it could be a trigger for them. The house of mirrors, I have done it before on an actual date. It is a little bit creepy. I was a little scared, but with it being a second date, you will get to see that up front immediately how your date acts. Or even if you just throw it out there, you'll get to see what they say or how they feel about it, and that'll gauge, if you should do that, if you should not do that. But I think the carnival would be a super cute, super romantic, very memorable second date. And let me know down in the comments, what types of interactive, cool, very memorable second date ideas have you guys done before? We would all love to know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. There's another date video coming up soon. Love you guys. Bye.